if you're in the A train. You'll find your midway's way to get to Harlem. Oh, worry. Hurry, get on going. Can you hear the swell running in the door? The A train. Soon you'll be on Sugar Hill in Ireland. Well, New York City, I go sit there. I love a New York t-shirt saying they love me too much. And maybe I hit the shots on Fifth Avenue. I go sightseeing, I go see Miss Liberty. With your friends that we get it on, and spread a memory. No, you're start springing the moon. This is where I'm gonna be looking around. There's so much to see in New York City. I had to take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. You must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. If you're in the A train, you'll find you're in the quickest way to get to Harlem. Oh, da 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 must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill up in Harlem. If you need the A train, you find you need the quickest way to Harlem. Hurry, get on board, it's coming. Listen to the great ones drumming on the road. Get on the A train.